What is White Hat SEO, and latest White Hat SEO techniques? White Hat SEO is the body of approved search engine optimization tactics designed to increase a website's position on a search engine results page. Search engine results that appear as a result of approved methods, rather than payment or trickery, are referred to as organic search results. White Hat SEO is a powerhouse, delivering relevant content, clicks, higher visibility, more conversion opportunities, and other business builders. Examples of White Hat SEO include offering quality content and services, fast site loading times and mobile friendliness, using descriptive, keyword-rich meta tags, making your site easy to navigate. Latest White Hat SEO techniques: 1. Quality content. 2. Keyword. 3. Lean code and markup language. 4. Authoritative inbound links. 5. Fast page loading times. 1. Quality content, written for the benefit of the reader, not the search engine crawler, is the most crucial element of modern-day SEO. It is the best way to be rewarded by search engines and how they rank your site or blog. 2. Keyword, rich page titles and metadata are also mandatory. It's easy to overlook or underestimate these areas, but optimization is low-hanging fruit for most sites. 3. Lean code and semantically structured markup language, it including the use of keyword-rich heading elements on your pages, aid search engines in finding what they're looking for when crawling your site. 4. Authoritative inbound links. These links are gained organically versus paid links have become one of the most important elements in your SEO efforts. 5. Fast page loading times. It is a necessity because, like simple navigation or mobile optimization, responsive sites don't frustrate visitors or encourage bounce. Thanks for watching.